start off with on Monday.
You try Daddy Snores.
You read Daddy Snores. Please. I like when you read. I want you to read to me. Please.
Sure.
You read. You read to Mommy. Start in the beginning with on Monday. Start back here. 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 Start right here. No. Start right there. Good.
On Monday, Daddy Snores. Boom, like the dinosaurs roar. And the little was so. I'm going to play musical bed. Sleep in my bed. I hold a blanket. And I read a clip of the rope. On Tuesday, Daddy Snores mumble like an earthquake. She's swimming right over the bed. So, my baby is swimming in the bathtub. Before swim on his all night long. Drip, let me drip.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip.
On Tuesday, Daddy Snores talk like a French maid. Mommy Flip had me cakes. He's too crisp. It smells funny. On Tuesday, Daddy Snores buzz like a bumblebee. So, we Boy Wilbur sleep a wink. His house is dead. Very wow, gee. Oh. On Friday, Daddy Snores wrestle like a teapot. So this time, when Peter Daddy sleep people, and the Daddy's bubble store around it. Mommy play is your best.
No, what's this?
I'll call the truck. Honk. Mommy, great idea. Hey, Ray, Daddy, sleep. This is too. Look up all the books. Us up. Not granted apple. Mommy, look at somebody have bad headache. No more snoring. She yells. The church died in the doctor. And the doctor can't Daddy snoring. And Charlie morning, then it not just snoring. Oh, hold quiet. My big flip, I flip, one was splitting heavy flip. Okay. Daddy tried talking, scream, thanks, I'm more for likely.
The end. That was great reading. I am very proud of you. Thank you.